You are going to love 2021 Sportage. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.